Lenge Khamsang, thank you Hindu Sega Pepper the Yelang Samalul Kasushigi year. Welcome to Saturday Grammar Class with Kizom. Thank you Resapembe that is in the Tinango Lalhenge Anzuki. Essential English Grammar Kilopsin Chipshipati Tangi, Lopsin Chipshipati Karicha de Shipaina, past continuous and past perfect. To Depanagi Yewa Shinang Ni Chadiure, the Karicha de continuous to Depanang Lega. Che shimpa ledi da chidang ne tude pa na lega chik chen le churwa dinni la khepar khari yor ledi de Saturday de September din nanglo la lengge nganzu ki present continuous and present simple kor la ta yore dilengi so se chume pa ngi I card la ling ji sha yi ti sirona shwe la swan tharing kilop se chupshi pati nganzu go chu yi la so leng yani tharing kilop se go chu yi tharing nganzu lop se chupshi pati ta yi din nanglo la nganzu ki past continuous and past simple ta thu 대번낭래 계자 직 제신바인 레지다 지단기 투 대번낭래 계자 가리체인 레주어와 딩이 걸레 개발 가려요리 지단가가 간디 차요 레주어와 디걸레 차요 당봉한 적이 에디나 가르라도 Jim 말에 더라 Jack was reading a newspaper read ing reading Jack was reading a book Jack 딩엘라 탭치 로 심바레샤스 딩엘라 록데 두 레주어와 Tidu garchidu the phone rang ing mindwara the phone rang the khari ki past tense relana ring ki chazi ngoni badi rang chadewa koi book tablo shimbareshas tidu phone rang khabar ke japsuns he stopped reading tene kogi lega jamshade kharre lega cheshimbadi jamshare lejurwal yigi loga jamshares he answered the phone kogi khabar ya kyaris ladu 당보단 순방이 디 past continuous 내가 제신 받대요. 가지는 ing 갭도 알아. 아니 the phone rang he answered the phone. 그게 가버리야 레송 아니 가버리야 깍송 레주로디 지당이 계제 인디 past simple 차대요래. 다 도스타 what happened? 가리 중레라 와르지나 the phone rang. 가버게 야송스디 past simple 지당 past 나라 투데 바나라 중요하지 체. 근데 what was Jack doing when the phone rang? phone ledu sambo khabar ledu Jack khare chedeyor lawarejina he was reading a book ku tabs lo deores ti lega cheshim barerwa ing gapto ti past continuous to depana lega mutun cheshim badi chadeyorda what did he do when the phone rang khabar ledu ku khare chire he stopped reading and answered the phone ku gi loga jam shares ra ani phone ya kyaris ting anju ke past simple chadeyor tadi nanglo langan jugi tu ngan jugi sumla pa yewa cheni past present future lan yewa chena chitang gi khogi lega cheshin ba le jurwa ding ngan jugi khari shior lan ngan jugi khari lega chedio di past continuous nan cha de yore khogi chere le jurwa di khari re lan past simple dini gi yewa de tu strosh tung yor darwa thangbo kharchido he began reading ko igi logai go chugres ani the phone rang khabar leres ta dine malle badu ko kharchi deori igi lo deora an dela ko gi khabar lo enje tab lo jam sharis ani ko gi phone kyaris ra che shim badi khare ngonju gi past continuous reda okay ta di be din anjik zero che past simple ladi what did you do yesterday morning kasan shokpa kirang gi khari chin la ra we played tennis nganjugi kharichi nganjugi tennis tanda racket to ball pa shingi yuga ro juara cricket marta ro ta dinga racket ki yuga dila tennis le ro tennis things we played kunjugi tsain la swara kharichi complete action lega di cherwa chachang waji cherwa di past simple cha Jack read the read la marwa past la thaja dira lodan the read Jack read a book yesterday Jack khasang thep chi lore la du sambola karichire ta lega di go tsugani chin jamshagwa dusrang le yorda lowa gangza di lores Did you watch the film on television last night Cherangi did le di past tense to ro cherangi khasang dangong temo di time best sugdolon tinga le tv ga le nyendong nyendong ine chi tv di temo di time best It didn't rain while we were on holiday nganzo khongse leudi didn't rain chawa pap masungs ta past continuous in the country what were you doing at 10:30 chirangi chuzu chuda chegala garichide yu le jorwa ani we were playing tennis kunzula swara chubane chukji de chabadola kunzu tennis tenide ani chuda chegala ngazu tennis station bayin tsamu station bayin le jorwa dela garichiyorla na ta dela chuzu chubane chukji de chagabadola dusim bayina we were playing kunzu dela tsamu tse de yo rostende ro tidu lega de chayo marda jamshayo mar che de yo unfinished action ra lega de zong me bache Jack was reading a book when the phone rang. Phone lady sambola Jack theory lawarajana tablo theories was reading. Were you watching television when the phone rang? Khabar ke kedu sambola charangi sudonuntin ta de US, ra ta de UL di lega de che shimba ga It wasn't raining when I got up. Ngaya laundu chapa pap de mindus. I started work at 9 o'clock and finished at 4:30. At 2 p.m. I was working. Right. That di thangbo di joba thangbo di present simple che. Yegi chuzu guala lega gochoi shida chagala zamshais. Ine ya ni de chagala karichi de yorlana I was working. Ni de chagala lega che shimba yin le churwa. It was raining when we went out. Nganso pa dudi chawa pap de dus. Okay. Tadine sumba dinda. I saw Lucy and Steve this morning. They were waiting at the bus stop. Nigi shokpa Lucy dan Steve ni tongsungs tongsarerwa. Kunzo karichi deore chirangi tongdu. They were waiting at the bus stop. Kunzo chijolango babzula bus kudishas. Jenny fell asleep while she was reading. Jenny igelo shimbe kapsula ni shorshas. Di dus kepar di dus yortarwa. Tanganzuki karichigin na di the power johnson chigin darwa. Tangbodi nang la karila dulana. Look at the pictures and put the verb in the correct form. Past continuous or past simple. Past continuous the past simple kari imbayine and tis. Past tense chudulanganzuki kari helping verb kari chagna was and were. To down di tingela past simple ginyendu na she charirwa. And then past nanglo lega chesh imbayina chaziki ngo tangbogi gyablo la ing gyabeche. Kisi dus rang imbayina past simple rang ina chaziki ngo niwa di gyabe. Dirang mado ing ro tewayo martarwa. Okay, tangbo del chikta. Karichido Carol pumujik break la dwara break the past tense broke her arm last week. Carol ki morang lakwa de last week. David dundat na cha sungs karchine it dash happened ledigi chazigi ngoniwa de tiache. It happened when she painting. The lakwa khadu charlana chentang de du leke just lirwa. Ani she gijablola was painting. Paint ing. She was painting her room. Ra morangi room sha chunda dang de ducha sos ta garichire she dash off the letter fell za sung le derwa ani fell gi chazigi ngoni ba fall gi chazigi ngoni ba fell she fell off the ladder de chengi anger chik chache thamadileng chogi nangle inda the train da Paula lej dwara ko train gude dwa the train dash at the station train arrived la dwara let's hoina chazigi ngoniwa arrived at the station and Paula ma phapsung le ra dash off get ki ngoni ba second form of verb past tense de got she got off. Two friends of her mugi rokpani John and Jenny dash to meet her the gushimbaresha le ra ani were waiting to meet her ta sumba dilenge sogi nangle cheche ta nipa de la khala do jonse 14.2 di nanglo la put the verb in the past continuous or past simple dige nanglo la past continuous kare simple kare di mathis thangbo di kurang jo ichi dwara ta ding la mogwache nipa de chik da was Jane busy when you went to see her chirangi mota ga du Jane busy red west ta nganjo ge yes she ta mo khari chide du lere mo yigi jang de du le ra nganjo khanju lage yes she jang shimbarisha she gi jablo la was and studying. Yes, she was studying. Momo yigi jang de shas. Tene sumbadela. What time dash this morning? The post arrived. What time? Shokwa chuzo kajula the post chala dille sung le ro ta nga ji khar la go la na thiwa thigo ro che za help verb nya la the che what time did the post tine did le the past tense ro che za nga ji arrive la ne khora rang the che this morning shopa chu ga jo la chala le sung ta ga lage it dash kam gi ngo ni pa came it came while I have la dwara I was having breakfast Sumbat Shipadinda, sorry. Was Margaret at work today? Tharing Margaret legala les west legala dwest. No. Mindus karlere. She dash not go to work. She was ill. She did not go to work. She was ill. Mo legala drama sungs. Tatine ngapa dindarwa. How fast dash you drive when the police stop you how fast were you driving how fast were you drive la dwara dal tiginda driving chirangi moda de khacho fast ho tang de use khadu when the police stopped ki chating ngoni pa stopped you okay I don't know exactly ngaten gen ha gung miss but I dash very fast ngaten gen how miss yine ya I tang de me line the ra I wasn't yana I was not driving very fast ngi ko shu da ke tang de miss ta din ro shi thukba dimba gepa guwa chuwa di thingi chugi nang le che in the ra and dingam dong ngajolop chen sha ni Lesson lingyani tharingi nyendung dirang zami linga sugi nyendung di pen tokpo tuk to do shunga nyirawa chigi yu ma pe nyela subscribe nang yu na injik subscribe na rona jama nyendung shna linga sama kyar di jaya girawa chigi yu tipa di linga sama chapo chani shuru nang anjing nyemdo inji jani shuru nang